everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Diane, and I'm aware that I've probably never said that before, so that's me. I guess because it was a family channel and everybody calls me Mom, I just sort of forgot to introduce myself. So, Diane. So today we're actually going to do something new, something I've not done before, but I will be doing it monthly, unless I actually hate it. So we're going to be doing Ipsy, and I don't know. We'll see if it's good or not. We'll all just kind of decide whether it's worth my while on continuing. I did order one for Madison for next month, so we'll be doing BoxyCharm and Ipsy together. But this month by myself. That's okay though. It'll be much more fun when it's her. So why don't we get right to the video? I guess I should say that Ipsy, I think it's $10, but for us it's $14.99 in Canada. So, you know, it's a little bit more, but I'm going to see if it's still worth the $15. Our prices are a little higher in Canada than United States, so we shall find out. Let's open this. I can't turn it because my address is on the back. Okay, so we got a little bag. Feels okay. It's got a little Ipsy on it. It's very cute. I don't know. It kind of looks like little toddler clothing. I don't know. What do you think? Toddler clothing, beach bag, Costco bag. I think I have a Costco shopping carry bag thing that is the same pattern. But why don't we get inside and see what we got? Okay. Ooh, there's a card. And it says, new year, more products, more focus on you. There you go. Now, I should say that I gave an accurate age. You know, I said that I was over 50. We'll just say over 50, and then we'll brush aside the rest, you know, the other ages. And, you know, so it's just my profile. Madison's is also correct. So, but hers is actually completely different than mine. I am very geared towards makeup. She was very geared towards hair care, skin care, that kind of thing. So let's see what we got. Oh, we got a brush, a Luxie brush. That's nice. I can definitely make use of this. Oh, it's got the nice little dip in there. Can you see it? It's lovely. I like it. Very nice. Put that aside. Now let's see. There's not a lot in here. It looks really empty. We got little baby the liquid eyeliner by Ico. Little baby liquid eyeliner. But I guess when you're paying $15, you can't expect huge products, now can you? That's good. Actually, I'll make use of this one as well. Okay, what's next? Okay, now this is a good example of, okay, what is this? This is Langa Prickly Pear Lip Gloss. Now this is a perfect example. Now I'm not going to put it on or anything because I'm obviously never going to use this. Do you see that? That is definitely not in my profile. And I mean, I didn't put lip gloss in there at all. I don't like lip gloss. And that color, I remember my grandma wearing this color many, many years ago. I don't know, maybe it's a grandma color. Oh crap, maybe it is for my age. No. It's a young girl thing, I think. Young girl. Cute, I guess. But I'm not going to swatch this. I'll put it in with the giveaway because we're near 500 subscribers. Very exciting. And I'm putting together quite a nice package. So, let's get to the next one. Well, this is tiny too. I don't even know if I can get a whole use out of this. This is Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay. Now, I've heard this is very good, actually. It's Flesh Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. But, I mean, that is one treatment if I'm lucky. Look at how tiny that is. A little baby. A little baby. Well, maybe I'll get one treatment and I can let you know. Who knows? There you go. There you go. I'm feeling disappointed. Is that right? I don't know. Is this what it's always like for this? I've never had it before. Okay, this is Glam Glow Starter Illuminating Moisturizer. Something else I didn't put on my profile because I don't like it. I don't like colored moisturizers at all. This is Nude Glow, but it's a little tiny sample. Can you see it? It's a little baby one. I don't think I'll have to do this one either. I may as well give it to somebody who does like tinted moisturizer. I like moisturizer, just not tinted, not in general. Oh well, I guess I feel like this is maybe kind of a younger girl bag. I'm not sure. There you go. And ding, 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 ding. That's it. See all my little baby things? I got little baby things. Oh, and a brush. I got a brush. Little baby. Like, does it always come this little tiny little stuff? Because I don't know, for $15, is it worth it? You guys should let me know if this is worth it because I'm really not 100% sure. Feels kind of a little light, maybe, and a little young. Like, this feels like there wasn't a lot of thought. Because I actually did get a December one, but I got it like January 3rd or something. So I didn't even bother going with that one. I just decided to do January. As you can see, I'll put this back in my little bag because there's no point in doing anything. I figure I may as well just add all of these little guys to my giveaway. Now, actually, there's something that I had said I would do, and I haven't done it yet. And that is tell you about this. So my son and I did eye masks, I don't know, a little over a week ago. And we said that we would, continue to do them, which we did. And I'm going to tell you they're lovely. Even though they have snail in them, even though I'm not going to lie, I kind of got a little squeamish every single time I used them. At the end of the day, these were great. They really were, and I would highly recommend these if you have the opportunity. Like I said, they're from Beauty Net Korea. Very, very good. So, next week, Madison will be doing, next month, Madison will be doing the Boxy Charm and the Ipsy with me. So it'll be mom versus daughter, and we shall see who gets the best stuff. Knowing my luck, probably her. So I guess we'll have to say goodbye for today. It doesn't feel like this was a very long video, but I guess sadly I don't feel like I got very much either. So I really would like it if you could subscribe. Get us to that 500 so I can have my giveaway. I'm so excited. I ordered some Benefit and Tarte palette. And I ordered a few other things. And then I'm going to add in all these little extra things I get. Some of them aren't little. Some of them are full size. It's just not something that I would use. So I put it in there. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Let us know if we can, improve or anything else for that matter. We really enjoy spending time with you and making these videos for you. And I'm so happy that you keep coming back and that our subscribers are growing and growing and growing. Love you. Bye.